In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a Jotform store with payment integration. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Click Create Form. Then choose an order form template that fits your needs and click Use Template. Once the form opens in the builder, customize the products, pricing, and other details as needed. If your template doesn't already include a payment field, click Add Element, open the Payments tab, and add your preferred payment gateway. Click Add a payment connection, enter a connection name, then connect your payment account such as PayPal and complete the authentication process. After the connection is complete, click Save to apply the payment settings. Before publishing, click Preview Form to test the order form and make sure the payment process works correctly. When you're satisfied, publish your form and start accepting orders. That's how to build a Jotform store with payment integration. Thanks for watching.